Welcome to Saw Masters, where every sharp blade tells a story of strength, ingenuity and creativity. This is the world of those who turn wood into masterpieces. Starting with the Skihel MS500i, a chainsaw that transcends conventional machinery, it's a symphony of precision and raw power. Engineered with Skihel's cutting-edge fuel injection technology, the MS500i awakens with a force that's both ferocious and refined, delivering a response so immediate, it feels alive in the hand. In the rugged heart of the forest, this saw emerges as the pinnacle of power, calibrated for foresters who seek not just to cut but to sculpt nature itself. For those who wield it, the Skihel MS500i is not just a tool, it's a masterpiece, a testament to human ingenuity that captures the thrill of untamed wilderness, the satisfaction of unmatched control, and the timeless allure of machinery at its finest. To cut down a rotten tree is to touch a lifeless body of nature, a silent symbol of erosion and decay. Cutting down a rotten tree is a dangerous job, because the tree no longer has strength and stability, which can easily cause unexpected accidents. The tree trunk is rotten and decayed, so it can no longer support its own weight. A slight touch can cause the tree to suddenly collapse in an unpredictable direction. The Husqvarna 365 is a powerful chainsaw, designed for large tree felling jobs. The machine also has the low beep system to reduce vibration, protecting the user's health when working for long periods of time. After making the violet cut, the worker will make a horizontal cut opposite the first cut. As the sawyer approaches the center of the tree, he will step back and watch for the direction the tree will fall. It is important to keep a safe distance and have an escape route in case the tree falls off course. Precision meets innovation with the Makito EA6100P53G. Lightweight yet powerful, this chainsaw is crafted for those who need control and maneuverability, making it a favorite for tasks like clearing and limbing. Next up is the Hitachi 350LC, a true beast in the world of excavation. With a power of 202 kilowatts, this metal monster sinks its jaws into tree stumps with precision and brute force. One snap, and the stump is gone. Imagine sitting in the driver's seat, controlling such a powerful machine. Start with a notch cut on the side facing the desired fall direction, usually about 1/3 of the tree's diameter. This cut helps guide the tree to fall in the desired direction. Move to the opposite side and make the cut slightly higher than the bottom of the notch cut. Complicated cases, such as very large trees or trees that are in awkward angles near your home, it's best to hire an arborist who can safely perform the task using specialized techniques, equipment, and experience. Chainsaws from China have gained considerable traction in recent years, bridging affordability with functionality for diverse users worldwide. With steady hands, he guided the saw through the thick wood, the blade cutting smoothly from side to side. The roar of the chainsaw was answered by the sharp crack of wood. As each section of trunk was cut, it rolled slightly before lying on the ground, awaiting further processing. Thank you for watching Saw Masters, where art and power meet. See you in the next videos, where we continue our journey to honor the masters and the best saws.